How to make money on Reddit. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer and let's get right into this video. To make money on Reddit, it is pretty simple if you know how your social media actually works. So yes, you have guessed it right. Mostly it is content and audience engagement. There are, however, some of the creative strategies to leverage the platform for generating income. That is, increasing your karma and also your audience engagement. While Reddit itself does not offer direct monetization of the post, you can still go ahead and use these strategies. Firstly, we have the Reddit Contributor Program. It is still beta and it is not yet confirmed that it will give you some of the monetization of your post. However, you can still enroll yourself in this program and you can work your profile menu for the Contributor Program option. Next, and the most effective way is the affiliated marketing and product recommendation. Did you know after you find a niche, you can actually add a marketing link in every post or videos that you do? You will gain commission of the post or the link that was being clicked by any of the audience that follows you on your Reddit. Now, by this way, you will get some of the compensation of the affiliated link. Third is freelancing and self-promotion. You can showcase your skills and experience in relevant subreddit. For an example, if you are a writer, you can offer the services in writing communities or a graphic designer such as displaying their portfolio in design subreddits as well. Now, it is all about driving traffic to your existing business or any of the blog or YouTube channel if you owe any. Focus yourself on building genuine connection and providing value to your chosen communities. Focus on affiliate links and collaboration or promotional intents. The best way to leverage your Reddit for income is to provide value first. So make sure to be valuable of a chosen community and explore the options above that align with the skills and interest. And always keep on posting quality content. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.